Hello everyone, welcome to Tala Padmavati International School. I am Afshafareen, the Maths faculty. So today we are going to deal with Class 1, Chapter 2, numbers from 1 to 9. Our next topic is make the collection equal. So children, here you can see Group A, Group B. Now let us count how many tokens are present in Group A. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tokens? 4 tokens. Now we need to make Group A and Group B equal. So children, how many tokens are present in Group B? Only 1. So we shall add the tokens in Group B to make it equal. Now 1, 2. Are these equal? No. So I should add more tokens. 1, 2, 3. Is it equal? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. Now is it equal? Yes. So how many we added, children? 1, 2, 3 tokens. We added 3 tokens to make it 4. So now let us see how many bars are present in Group A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6 bars. Now let us count how many bars are present in Group B. 1, 2, 3. Children, Group A and Group B, are they equal? No. So we should add bars in Group B to make it equal. Now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it equal? No. We shall add one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6. Now Group A and Group B are equal? Yes. So children, here in Group A, I am having 1, 2, 3 balls. Now, in Group B, I am having 1 ball. Now, I need to make Group A, Group B collection equal. So, how many balls should I add? Come on, tell me. So, correct. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Children, now is it equal? 1, 2, 3. Group A has 3 balls. Group B also has 1, 2, 3. Thus, the collection is equal. Now children, here we can see 2 groups. The group 1 is having some triangles. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many triangles do I have? 7 triangles. Now, group B has 1, 2, 3. Are they equal? Is the collection equal, children? No. So, what we should do? We should draw some more triangles in Group B to make it equal. Now, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 6. Is it equal? How many does my first group has? 7. Now is it equal? No. So let us draw one more and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 7. Now these are equal and equal. Let us see the next example. Here are balls in box A and balls in box B. Now let us count how many balls are present in box A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls are present in box B? 1, 2. Are 2 and 5 equal, children? No. So, let us draw some more balls in box B to make it equal. One, 2, 3, 4. Is it equal? Should I draw one more? Very good. Now count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. Is it equal? Yes. Now let us do some textbook exercise. So children, shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. Equal? Yes. Now the next one, we need to make it equal. How many squares do I have in this box? Group A? 1, 2. How many squares do I have in group B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, can I rub these squares? No. So, I need to add the squares in group A to make it equal. So, here I am writing 5 and 5 is not equal to 2. So, here I am drawing some more squares. You can also use color pencils to draw. Now, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5, are it equal? No. So, I am drawing one more square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5. Now, is the group equal? Next one. Children, you need to tell me how many I have to draw the triangles now. How many triangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many triangles are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Are 4 and 6 equal? No. We shall try by drawing some more triangles. Children, can you count and tell me how many triangles are present in group B? Very good. 5. So, shall I draw one more? Children, now can you count and tell me how many triangles are present in group B? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 6. Equal. Here are some curved lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As I cannot rub, I'll be considering the one which has more number of curved lines. 7. How many do I have here? 5. Are 5 and 7 equal? Can I remove curved lines from this? Can I rub this? No, I cannot. So I need to draw an extra to make it equal. So here I am drawing one. How many it makes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 6 here? No. I'll draw one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and 7. Children, now is it equal? Yes. You can try this topic when you are sharing your toffees with your siblings by sharing it equal. So our next topic is making groups of. So children, first let us count our tokens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 and 10. So how many tokens I have taken, children? 10. Now we shall make a group by picking any random number. See children, I am closing my eyes and picking a number and we will make a group of that. So what is the number we got? 9. So we should make a group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a group of 9. So children, here are some of the coins. Shall we pick a random number and make a group of it? So I am closing my eyes. What's the number? 7. So we shall make a group of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a group of 7. Now again, what did I pick? It's 2. So I should make a group of 2. So children, this is the group of 2. Then what about this group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a group of 8 and this is a group of 2. So children, here I have drawn some balls. Can you select a number for me so that we can make a group of it? Come on children. You want number 4. So children, we shall count and make a group of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a group of 4. So here are some stars. So children, you tell me which numbers group we'll be making. Okay, we shall make a group of 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is a group of 3. Now here are some trees. We shall make a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a group of 5. Now let us do some textbook bits. So children, let us count how many balls are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many balls are present? 8. He is asking us to make a group of 5 balls. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's not possible like this. So we shall count the balls which are down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we shall make a group of 5. Next, how many cups are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many cups? 5 cups. We need to make a group of 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. A group of 3 cups. How many trees we are having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many trees? 5 trees. We need to make a group of 4 coconut trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it enough? Yes. So, a group of 4 trees. How many candles are present here? 1, 2, 3. We should make a group of 2. Children, can you count 2 candles for me? 1, 2. So, a group of 2 candles. How many jars are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many jars? 7 jars. So we should make a group of 6 jars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A group of 6 jars. Now, how many bells are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I need to make a group of 7 bells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A group of 7 bells. We shall do some more. How many leaves are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many leaves? 6 leaves. So he is asking us to make a group of 6 leaves. So this itself is a group. Yes, children. Next, let's count how many classes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 classes. So he is asking us to make a group of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leaving this class, each and every class comes in count. So this is my group of 7 classes. Now, how many potatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 10. I have to make a group of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many potatoes? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 group of potatoes. Now there are number of ants here. We need to make a group of 9. So we shall start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Still how many we got? More 2. So we will take this 2 ants into the consideration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Children, there is no rule that you have to take these ants to make a group. You can take any of them. You can make it vertically, you can make it horizontally. Now, match the numbers with the pictures. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. We need to count and match the pictures to their respective number. Shall we start? Let us count the leaves first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a group of 7. Group of 7 leaves. Where is 7, children? 7. Now let us count the group of these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many birds? 4 birds. A group of 4 birds. Where is 4? Here is 4. Now, what are these? Brinjals. So we shall count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A group of 5 brinjals. So where is 5? Here is 5. Now let us count ice creams. 1, 2. Only 2 ice creams. Where is the number? Yes. Next, let us count these balls. 1, 2, 3. It's already matched. 3. Now let us count these rolling pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A group of 9 rolling pins. How many camels are here? Come on, tell me. Yes, there is only 1 camel. Now we should count the jugs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many jugs, children? 6. Now, here are some sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number is left. It's group of 8 sticks. We shall match it. Thank you.